One of the reasons that I love working with children is that they don't see limitations. They dream big, sometimes wildly and unrealistically so, and this is awesome. Aspirations are important. They fuel action and drive us to achieve. I was very lucky to grow up with some incredibly supportive parents, and the messages they equipped me with I still use today. I was encouraged to dream big. I was told that I could do anything I wanted to do, be anyone I wanted to be. And when I became disabled, these messages didn't change. They helped me to channel my energy into activities that I was equally passionate about and supported me through the challenges that cropped up on the way. I believe that everybody has the capacity to achieve great things, and we do need support on this journey. Nobody ever achieves success on their own. I had the most amazing team behind me of coaches, family, friends, mentors and supporters, and without their help I wouldn't have achieved half of what I did. One of the most important things they did for me was believe in me. Whenever I shared my goals with them, they never said it was out of reach. Instead, they focused on how I could get there and what I could do. And the fact that they believed in me helped me believe in myself too. So I want to share a few practical tips on how to encourage children to dream big. Firstly, I think it's about recognising that success is different for all of us. There is no one definition of success, and it's about helping children create their own success story. I love listening to other athletes speak about their stories because no path is the same. Everybody does something slightly differently. Everybody has a different backstory. Everybody's come up with a creative solution. And everybody has a different reason. And I think we need to be really open-minded and encourage that exploration and let children explore what they're passionate about, what they're interested in, what their strengths are, and help them come up with their own definitions rather than us putting a judgment on what that success should be. Even though success is different for all of us, I think that the skills for success are the same. In order to achieve any goal, we need confidence, we need things like resilience, perseverance, motivation, drive, determination, and all of these skills can be learned, developed and built. So supporting young people in helping them build this is absolutely critical. And finally, it's about removing limitations. How often do we hear people say, you can't do that, or oh, maybe you should scale it back a bit? Actually, I think if we start putting limitations in, it closes minds and it stops people having that ability to dream. So encouraging ideas, letting children try them out, letting them fail. We all need to learn how to fail, and seeing failure as actually a good thing in terms of it's helping us move closer towards that end goal that we're so passionate about. I hope that's useful. It's a privilege to be asked by Axcis to talk about dreaming big, and if you would like any more information, please get in touch.